How to stop Mcafee pop-up on Windows 11. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can stop Mcafee's pop-up on Windows 11. So in that case, you have to make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Then go ahead and open up a browser. You can use any web browser, and on the web address bar, go ahead and tap the three dots icon. And when you are on this page, scroll down a bit and go to settings. So when you press on settings, it's going to take you to your settings page, and right on this page, go ahead and press on privacy and security from the left hand side bar. So right on this page, go ahead and select site settings. When you do that, you'll be able to see all of these sites, and here you need to scroll down a bit, and then you need to go ahead and select view permissions and data stored across. You have to go ahead and press on delete all data. When you do that, you'll have successfully deleted the data for Mcafee's as well, and from then onward you'll not receive any sort of pop-up on your Windows 11. So in this way you can do it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.